What's up guys, it's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, back with a new video. And today I just finished building this out. So this is the Project 399 practice rig. So if you're not familiar with this frame or Project 399, Project 399 is owned by Jordan Temkin, or you might also know him as Jet from DRL. And this particular frame was specifically made to model or make it feel more like the DRL Racer 4. So in the off season, when he's not racing, or when he just wants to get some practice in, he wanted something that was pretty much indestructible, but also nice to where it wasn't able to break easily. And this thing is heavy. It's even bigger than my 7-inch long range build. So obviously I got a GoPro mount here. I got a fake GoPro in here because I didn't want to put the real one on just in case. So but I 3D printed my own little arm guards and skids, rocking a Foxeer camera, of course, as always. In the box down here, I'm running the Hobbywing 60 amp combo. It's the ESCs with the flight controller. I'm running the Mach 3 video receiver from Race Day Quads, a Foxeer antenna. I'm running a TBS Immortal T antenna, and I'm sporting the let me pull them around here for you guys. So these are the Brother Hobby. These are the Avenger. They're the 2510 1250 kV motors. So just so you guys know, this is going to be a spec class I'm going to be racing this in. So spec class meaning we all have to run the same motors, the same props. These are the HQ 7x4x3s, and we all have to run the same exact frame as well. And then we all have to run the same size battery, which is going to be a 5S 2200 milliamp battery. Mine aren't in yet, so I'm just going to be testing and flying it around with a 4S 1800 pack. That's my one I use for the long range, so we'll see how it flies. But yeah, this thing is it is a beast. It is heavy. I've got LEDs on the top of the arms, and then I've also got LEDs on the bottom of the arms as well, so which is really, really cool. So it should light up really nicely when it flies and everything like that. So but anyway, yeah, so that's the frame in general. I'll put everything that I used to build it down in the description below. These blades are ginormous. This frame, it's even bigger than my 7-inch frame, so it is just freaking ginormous. I can't say that enough, but as you can tell, my bench is absolutely dirty because I just finished building, and that's what happens. So, but I am going to weigh it really quick, and let's see how much the thing comes in at. Okay, so we are looking without a battery, a all-in weight right now of 742 grams. That is a heavy quad. So let me grab a battery and we'll see how much that weighs. Now obviously this is not the spec size, but this is an 1800 4S, so similar, so it's probably going to be just a little bit heavier. So let's put this on the scale and see how much weight that adds. So we are coming in at 958 grams. Good God, this thing is a beast. And this is probably a little bit lighter battery than the 5S. So can't wait to get those big, ginormous batteries. This thing flies like a freaking bus. It's insane, but it does actually fly pretty well. I just took it outside really super quick, just to kind of up and down, hover, you know, just to make sure everything was working properly. And I'm going to grab my real GoPro and let's send it around the yard, guys, and let's see how it does. So I'll meet you outside. All right, everybody, so here it is. Here is the practice rig. So what we're going to do is I'm going to plug in our battery. I don't have my GoPro because I don't want to break it. So I'm just using a fake GoPro I've 3D printed up. So after I know I can fly it, then I'll throw the real GoPro on. So you're just going to get some DVR footage. So I apologize for that. But yeah, let's take this bad boy up in the air and let's see how it does. So there it is, guys. There is the practice rig, the first real run. I've got a little video interference, so I'm not sure. I switched out and I put a stubby on there, so maybe I'll put a little bit longer antenna, see if that helps. Maybe I'm getting some video interference from something, I don't know exactly, so I'll figure that out. But otherwise it flew really nice. It's like flying a freaking bus. It's gonna take me a little bit getting used to flying this thing. It's pretty ginormous. But anyway, guys, so tomorrow I'll race it for the first time. I'm gonna at least attempt to. We'll see. And so in the meantime, guys, while you're waiting for the next video, as always, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you guys later. Have an awesome day.